welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to categorize and split transactions correctly in Mint. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Mint app or your website. So once you have opened it, you need to simply get logged in into your account, and once you have signed up, you need to categorize your transactions correctly. Simply manually correct categories, and you can also try for batch actions, like for multiple transactions to be corrected, use the batch actions. After this, you can simply categorize ATM withdrawals as cash and ATM to keep them out of your spending budget. You can also handle your transactions, and to split your transactions, you need to simply split a single transaction if you want. Like if a single purchase includes item for different categories, you can simply split the transaction. After this, you can track your cash spending. Like after withdrawing cash, click the split this transaction button for the cash and ATM withdrawal and assign amounts to categorize as you spend. You can also be careful while doing like splitting the recurring bills, avoid duplicates, manage your loan repayments, and split your deposits as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.